I grew up in the 80s and 90s, so I'm a huge fan of Jean-Claude Van Damme. That man can kick like an animal. Always in the splits, always shredded. Maybe the best natural physique of all time. It's arguable. Here's what I like to do. One of my favorite hip flows in the pool. Stiff hips, arthritis, and here's one thing to test, by the way. You don't have hip pain or you haven't been diagnosed with arthritis yet. Pick up your leg on land in the water. Does it sound like a rock band? That is early stage or possibly even further advanced arthritis. You can clean this up and heal it in the water. Continuous fluid drag resistance. It's so good. Hold on for support and stability. What I'm going to have you do is get as close as you can to that pool wall. And again, I get more balance and support in the water. I could do this on land, but not as with good of range of motion and form. And I'm just working on staying in front of that wall, coming in and out, even kind of pushing all the way through. But 5 to 10 of those. Then maintaining that. Again, the beauty of this too is you're not just mobilizing the top leg, the support leg is also getting opened up as well. Now I'm just going to mix between a smooth inhale and exhale while doing leg extension flexions or leg curl extensions from that high kick position. Again, think blood sport, think Lionheart, think kickboxer, all right? Now let's tie in some awesome hip rotation and even some spinal rotation mechanics. I'm going to kind of leg whip back, trying to keep my shoulders as front facing as possible, and then follow through. Oh wow, this feels so good. Such a good stretch for the hip flexors. You're activating the glutes on the swing back, opening up the hip flexors here. Also tying in some of the spinal rotators for the upper mid back or thoracic spine. And as I come through, I'm really strengthening the hip flexors and quads. All right, about 5 to 10 of those guys. And let's tie in some abductor, adductor, groin, and glute with just some lateral leg swing here to finish it off. Trying to lead with the heel. So instead of here, no, stay there. Try to lead with the heel to really keep the action into the glute and not the thigh. And then again, swing right through to get the good stretch component. This is something you can do daily with bodyweight. You want more intensity. Obviously you can add speed. If you're newer to this, by the way, or they're sore one day, you go slow, steady, range of motion focus. On days you're beat up or it's a little bit swollen and stiff, days you're feeling gritty, you want to push it, you add a fin to the ankle. And all these do, it creates more fluid drag resistance in the water. It's the equivalent of adding ankle weights or weights on land training. And again, all planes of motion, so good for that ball and socket hip joint. If you have stiff, tight hips, it's not just the hip replacement you want to avoid, of course, but stiff hips mean back pain, low back in particular. So I love this flow. You can do it like 5 to 10 reps each sequence, except the breathing, inhale, exhales, or just flow each for time, a minute each position. It takes 5 or 10 minutes tops on each side. Makes such a difference with your hip health. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Plenty of awesome pool and hydrotherapy workouts here at the BJ Gaddour YouTube page. Bye-bye.